How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and your Meta AI has been enabled on WhatsApp and you would like to remove it but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You have to tap on it and then go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option, that is the option of storage. After tapping here at first, you have to tap on the option of clear the cache, and then again you have to go to the option of clear the data and clear it as well. After you clear the data as well, you have to go to the option of the Play Store on your mobile device, and then you have to go to the search icon. After going to the search icon, now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of WhatsApp. When you go to the option of WhatsApp, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of WhatsApp Messenger and then tap on the option of uninstall. After you tap on the option of uninstall and uninstall your very application, again you have to go to your Play Store on your mobile device and reinstall your very application of WhatsApp that you had uninstalled. So this way, after you reinstall it, you can see that the very WhatsApp Meta AI option will be gone itself. So this is the way on how you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.